So I want to calculate the value of sine inverse 10, which is mathematically not possible, but let us see. Matlab or octave can do it. So to calculate the value of sine inverse 10, I can simply write a sine of 10. So let us see what is the output. Oh, this is a complex number. So complex number doesn't exist in the real number system. That's why okay. So you can understand what is going on. So if you are giving the value out of domain, then it will give a complex number. For in case of your sine inverse function, sine inverse or cos inverse or inverse trigonometric or any inverse trigonometric function. Okay, so let us see another function. So our first function is power function. Suppose I want to calculate a to the power b. So by the power function we can do that. Power function generally minimum takes two argument a comma b. Okay, so what actually it do? It is equivalent to a raised to the power b. In this case, only in this case, if you give 3 argument, then it can be changed. But in this case, it work as a raised to the power b. So let us check. I won't calculate 2 to the power 3. So let us check power 2 comma 3. Oh, 3. Sorry. Enter. Yes, it's 8. Now I want to calculate the power of some complex number, some imaginary number. Let us check power of 5 iota, and I want find the cube of this number. Okay, yes, just enter. So the output is a complex number which is purely imaginary. Okay, so suppose I want calculate the remainder of a division. Suppose I divide a by b and I want to see what is the remainder of a by b. So I can use a function which gives the remainder of a by a by b gives okay function called rem. It also take minimum 2 argument a comma b. So let us check. We know that if I divide 5 by 2, then we can easily get the remainder 1. So let us check, is it work? Rem 5 by 2. Enter. Yes, it works. Now let us check for any big number. I want find rem of 46.7. Okay, and I want to divide it with 67. Okay, enter. Yes, remainder is 11. So another function which also give the remainder is called modulo. It is equivalent to modulo. Another function modulo, which write as a mod. This is not modulus. This is not modulus function. Modulus function is something different. This is modulo function. Modulo gives the remainder, and it write as a mod. So let us check. mod of 5 by 2. Just enter. Yes, it also give the same output. Okay, so another function. Let us check another function. We have learned 2 types of function in our 12th board. Was first one was the greatest integer function, and second was the least integer function. Are they exist here also? Yes, they exist here also. Greatest integer function. So greatest integer function is called also called as a floor function, step up function, and here in the octave it is used as named as a floor. So it takes minimum 1 argument a, where a be any float data type or integer data type, but it shouldn't be character data type or any string data type. Okay, so let us check the greatest integer value of any float value. Floor of मम्मी पापा का फोन है. Floor of 45.78. Okay, so let us enter. Its value is 45. And now another function, we have learned another function which is least integer function. Least integer function. What it do? It give the least value of any integer. So in the Matlab, and octave, it named as ceiling of your room. So ceiling of your room is the topmost point of your room, and floor is the lowest point of your room. So let us check ceil. What is spelling ceil? Yes. So let us check. I want to calculate the ceil of this number, this 45.78. Ceil of 45.78. Okay, so enter. Yes, its value is 46. So these functions are very useful when we are doing some image processing calculation in case of matrix operation. Okay, it will be more clear when we will do matrix operation. Now let us see another function. Suppose I want round off any number. Round off any number. Suppose I want round off any number, then I can use the function round. It take also minimum one argument. Okay, so let us check. I want round this value, again this value 45.78. Let us see what happened. 45.78. Enter. Yes, its value is 46. I want round off any negative value like 56.90. Its value is minus 57. Now we have learned many exponential function and logarithmic function. They are exist in the octave also. So suppose I want find e to the power x, then for exponential we can write simply exponential. We can write simply, for the exponential we can write exp, which states for e raised to the power x. Okay, and it takes only one argument, which is x, e raised to the power x. Okay, I want to calculate the value of simply exp. So I can write exp is equal to 1. Yes, and what is the value of e? 2.72 Napier's analogy. Okay, approximately 2.72 Napier's analogy. Now let us calculate the value of e to the power. Let us calculate the value of e to the power x minus 1. So in the octave, it is also this